ChatGPT just wrote 7 Instagram captions for me in 4 minutes. Here's what I actually typed. I opened ChatGPT, free, no account tricks, and wrote something like, I run a small food blog. Write me 7 Instagram captions for this week, 1 per day, mixing motivational, educational, and personal storytelling. Keep each one under 150 characters with a call to action. That's it, 1 paragraph, and it came back with a full week. Each caption had a different vibe. Monday was warm and personal. Wednesday was a quick food tip. Friday had a question at the end to get comments. Not perfect out of the box, but genuinely usable. Like 80% of the way there, which if you've ever stared at a blank caption box at 9 p.m., you know is enormous. The trick is being specific about your niche, your tone, and the mix you want. Vague prompts get vague results. Tell it who you are. Okay, so the captions it gives you will feel slightly generic at first. That's normal. Here's how to fix it fast. After the first response, type, make these sound more casual, like I'm texting a friend. Add my personality, I'm funny, but not try hard. ChatGPT adjusts immediately. You can keep nudging it until it sounds right. This back and forth is where the real magic is. It's not one prompt and done. Think of it like a conversation with someone helping you brainstorm, and if this is the kind of shortcut you want more of, Stack Future posts one of these every single day. Once you've got captions you like, ask it to add 3 hashtag suggestions to each one. Boom, done. Your whole week of content, captions, hashtags, tone, sitting right there to copy and paste. Took me maybe 15 minutes total. I've spent longer deciding what to eat for lunch. Honestly, the hardest part was writing that first prompt. Once that clicked, everything else just followed. You're not replacing your creativity, you're giving it a running start. Next video, I'm breaking down how to use AI to write your bio and profile from scratch, which is genuinely wild how well it works. If this saved you some time, tap the like. It actually helps more people find this stuff.